Good morning, good people. I woke up today and was reading comments, and I had a comment on my page about my Mjolnir, Thor's hammer. My ancestors, the Danes, the Vikings, and their ancestors, the tribes and clans from Magna Germania. They're my ancestors. Well, this is demonic, right? He said, this is demonic. I'm going to hell. Guess what I did? I went to his page. They were talking about their God and how they eat their God's body and drink his blood. That's demonic to me. I thought, okay, you came to my page, so I went on every subscriber that he had on their page and did the same thing that he did to me. I told him, they're wrong, their way is wrong, and, you should do this, you should do what I do, and no, I didn't do that. I didn't do that. It's almost like the story I told the other day about my pit bull being attacked. My dog never attacked anybody, but other dogs have attacked him. So you come here and attack the Viking, and the Viking says, well, you know what? You do what you want to do. I'll do what I want to do. I don't go to your... I do not go to other pages and start... This is why the world is the way it is today. And it goes deeper than that. It goes deeper than that. Here, I'll finish with this because I've said this before. I've tried your ways for decades. And I wasn't enjoying life. So now I found these ancient principles from times of antiquity, thousands of years before your teachings, and I'm applying them to my life, and my quality of life has changed. I'm enjoying life. Now, I don't know where it's at in your books, but it's not in my books like the sagas and the tales from ancient times. It doesn't say go tell other people they're wrong. It doesn't say by your teachings feel superior to other people. It doesn't say that. I have Christian friends. We've learned to get along. But here on the internet, all these brave warriors go to other channels. You don't represent your faith, your religion, your God by going to other channels and defaming people, putting them down. I don't get it. You think by now all the major religions would have learned a lesson that you won't get us into your fold under threat. I said it the other day. You're looking at the speck in my eye, but you're failing to see the timber in your own eye. So, the old saying, people in glass houses shouldn't throw rocks. I don't go to other channels. I just don't. It's nowhere in the books of my ancestors that says to do this. And then say something to kind of try to shame them. I know somewhere in the New Testament it says, if you're not welcome at a house, shake the dust off your feet and leave. It doesn't say retaliate in the Bible. Shake the dust off your feet and leave. First thing in the morning, right? First thing in the morning. Oh, look at now. You can tell he's a real Viking. Look at how upset he got. That's the Viking in him. He's demonic. He's evil. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.